We need to understand one very important thing is what makes to repair ourselves. We have a very specific cells called stem cells. So these stem cells is involved in repairing all the damages that in our body. And this stem cell actually is limited. In adult body, our stem cell does not continue generate. If you don't take care of your health, the stem cell is insufficient in your body, then the repairs have become suboptimum. So just like our blood vessels, there's a tear and then the blood start leaking. If your stem cells is reached on time on the site, then it can help to repair. Once your wall get repaired, so the leaking doesn't cause entire breakage of the blood vessels. But for the patients, the stem cells numbers is not sufficient to do this major repair. So we need to call help from outside. So the entire stem cell technology is how to bring effective stem cell to come into our body to do the treatment. Well, very simple. You see, diabetics, hypertension, and cholesterol is high. If you're associated with aging, that means everybody is supposed to get it. Yeah, but does it true? There are people that continue to stay healthy even up to the age of 80 years old and 90 years old, and they are free from diabetic, hypertension, or high in cholesterol. So that's why these chronic diseases is not the aging. It's just they reduce their damagings. The stem cell pool is used up slower. When you have used up slower, that means your resources is more. So when you have a more stem cells pool in your body, so you stay healthy and younger. So the stem cell technology now allows us to increase the repair mechanisms by taking the stem cell into your body. But of course, this so-called outside source must be well selected, well trained, they are safe, and then they are effective, so that these stem cells come into your body. This does not conflict with you. They know exactly what they should do. They do the repair. Stem cells can be very potential to be used as one of the tools for the disease treatment. Supergenics is a company that focus on producing stem cells for therapeutic use. They are very focused. So that's why all the stem cells that cultivate or produced by Supergenics is MSC. MSC is a stem cells that can repair organs that in the mesoderm layer, including the heart and the blood vessels. Talking about the patented technologies, the time to helping the blood vessels repair and new blood vessels regenerations is very important. By day 5 to day 7, the stem cells are able to generate a lot of small blood vessels. It's just a very short period of time to come and help you to supply you the nutrients, to supply you the oxygens. Because if a tissue lack of oxygens for too long, then the tissue will die. Then you are unable to recover anymore. So that is the true value of the patent. Supergenics is spending money on making sure that the stem cell is the highest quality. High quality means that at the first must be safe. Whether the process of culturing the stem cell, is there any potential of a contamination happen? Bacteria go inside there. Second, effective. The Supergenics as one of the entities that been audited by MOH MPRA. It's just like you buying any team set that's a slim chart, so you know, oh, this one is been inspected, it's been audited, so the safety level is higher already. So the material you use, source of stem cells, the credibility of the facility, as well as the team. Those are very important features on making sure that stem cell received by you is safe and then it truly can help you. We are dealing with life. We're taking care stem cell safety as the most important priority.